first, let's bring you the tragic news coming in from two states, UP and Madhya Pradesh. A tragic end to two desperate journeys on highways. One from Uttar Pradesh, where 6 migrants walking from Punjab to Bihar are run over by a bus in Muzaffarnagar. And the other from Guna in Madhya Pradesh, where 8 migrants were traveling in a truck from Mumbai to Guna. When a bus coming from the opposite direction hit the truck, they had almost reached their destination when the accident took place. In Uttar Pradesh, 6 migrant workers were killed, 2 of them injured after being hit by a bus in Muzaffarnagar. Now, the migrants were walking towards their hometown in Bihar from Punjab due to the coronavirus-triggered lockdown. According to the police, the bus was empty and the driver fled after the accident. The police say they're now trying to identify the address of the workers. 2 of the workers of that group were also injured, as we said, in that accident. Well, let's go across to Alok Pandey for more. Alok, we do know the UP Chief Minister said that no migrants should be walking on the roads in this manner. But even so, day after day, we're seeing these visuals and then these terrible, tragic reports of accidents also taking place.
Well, you're absolutely right. I must update you that the dead people have been identified and they are from Bihar. 4 of them are from the Gopalganj district, which is on the border with Uttar Pradesh. 1 is from Patna in Bihar, and the last person who died, he's from Bhojpur, which is a district around 70-80 kilometers from Patna. So these are the 6 people who have died. 2 of them, one is a father, the other is his son, and the others, they were all laborers, we are told, who used to work in Punjab. That's the information that we have right now. The accident took place at around 11:45 p.m. at night on Wednesday, which is last night. And the accident took place on a highway that connects the UP cities of Saharanpur and Muzaffarnagar, both of whom are in West UP. Some of the visuals that we cannot put on air, Gargi, but sent to us from the spot show a lot of the injured lying around. And the police then reaches, and there is this man on audio. I mean, you can't see him, but he seems to be some kind of a police official, because he's calling somebody and saying, ki sahab, yahan 5-6 log mar gaye. And then you also have visuals of this UP government bus. It was an empty bus, it was not carrying anyone. Perhaps it had dropped somebody on a border, or it was going somewhere to fetch somebody, we don't know. But the bus that has been, the pictures of the bus that we have seen are of a UP government, UP roadways bus. And you are right, yesterday afternoon the Chief Minister, Mr. Adityanath, had ordered his officials in the daily review meeting that he takes that nobody should be walking in Uttar Pradesh at any cost, quote unquote. And just that night, 6 more people have died. In the last week, we've reported many deaths in Uttar Pradesh of people who are trying to walk or cycle to their homes. So more responsibility needs to be taken, perhaps, to ensure that what you say on paper is reflected and implemented on the ground.
Alok, thanks so much for joining us with those details. So that was the first of the 2 tragic accidents that we're waking up to. The second one took place in Madhya Pradesh, where 8 migrant laborers who were traveling from Maharashtra to Unnao in UP were killed on the national highway in Guna in Madhya Pradesh. The truck that they were traveling in collided with a bus in the Cant area. Apart from the 8 who are dead, 54 others were also injured in this accident. The driver of the container truck fled the scene immediately after this collision. This took place at around 3 in the morning, and there you can see many of the injured being treated in hospital.
रात को 3 बजे के करीबन का समय रहा होगा। गुना बाईपास पे एक्सीडेंट का गंभीर हादसा हुआ है। उसमें बॉम्बे से उन्नाव ज़िले के लिए मजदूर आयसर में जा रहे थे और एक बस ग्वालियर से अहमदाबाद के लिए जा रही थी। और दोनों का गुना बाईपास पर एक्सीडेंट होने से 8 लोगों की डेथ हो गई है अभी तक, और उसमें 54 लोगों का इलाज चल रहा है।